So students, we will learn today ad-darsu sani as-sa'labul makir. In previous classes we have learned the translation, okay, first, second and third line, and this one also, third paragraph also we have learned. So today we have to do this one paragraph, right? So before starting this paragraph, I will revise all the translation which we have covered. Okay. Haza sa'alabun. I am doing this one. Wait. What happened here? Haza sa'alabun. This is a fox. As-sa'labu ya'ishu fil ghabati. The fox lives in the jungle. As-sa'labu, the fox. Ya'ishu, lives. Fil ghabati, in the jungle. The fox lives in the jungle. This was the first line. Okay, now we come to the next line. This one. As-sa'labu ja'i'un. The fox is hungry. As-sa'labu ja'i'un. The fox is hungry. Huwa lam ya'kul shay'an al-yawma. Huwa means he, lam ya'kul, did not eat, shay'an, anything, al-yawma, today. He did not eat anything today. Huwa lam ya'kul shay'an al-yawma. He did not eat anything today. Now this one line, last line. Innahu yabhasu anit tu'ami huna wa hunaka. Innahu yabhasu anit tu'ami huna wa hunaka. Innahu, indeed, yabhasu, he is searching, anit tu'ami, for the food, huna, here, wa hunaka, and there. Indeed, he is searching for the food here and there. Okay. Now this one paragraph. Huwa yara karmatal ainabi huwa masrurun. Huwa means he, yara means look at, karmatal ainabi, bunch of the grape. He look at bunch of the grape. Huwa masrurun, he is happy. He look at bunch of the grape, he is happy. Huwa masrurun, he is happy. Yuridu an ya'kula al-inaba. Yuridu, he wants, an, that, ya'kula, he eat, al-inaba, grapes. He want to eat the grapes. He want to eat the grapes. He want to eat the grapes. Okay. Now we have done till here. So I have taken revision. Okay, till here, till third paragraph. So today we have to start this one. Okay, beta. So I am going to start this one. All of you listen very carefully because I will ask from you also. Okay. All of you please pay attention. Karmatul ainabi murtafi'atun. Karmatul inabi, you know, bunch of the grape. Karmatul inabi we have learned also. Karmatul inabi, karma means, karmatu means bunch, al grape, al inaba, grapes. Karmatul inabi, bunch of the grape. Murtafi'atun is high. You can see in the picture is high. Bunch of the grape is high. Okay, so you can see in the picture is high. Karmatul ainabi, bunch of the grape, murtafi'atun is high. Okay, understood? Karmatul ainabi murtafi'atun, bunch of the grape is high. Yaqfizu as-sa'labu liya'kula al-inaba. Yaqfizu, jumping. As-sa'labu, fox. The fox is jumping. Liya'kula al-inaba, so that he can eat the grapes. Okay, so that, li means so that, ya'kula, he eats, al inaba, grapes. يقفز الثعلب. The fox is jumping so that he can eat the grapes. Okay. يقفز مرة أخرى. I am reading here. This one. يقفز مرة أخرى. يقفز, he is jumping. مرة أخرى, once again. He is jumping again. Yeah, he is jumping once again. Okay. करमतुल इनबी मुर्तफिअतुन. Bunch of the grape is high. यक़फ़िज़ु सअलबु. The fox is jumping so that he can eat the grapes. यक़फ़िज़ु मर्रतन उख़रा. He is jumping again. लकिन्नल इनबा, but the grapes, मुर्तफिअन is high. But the grapes is high. लकिन्ना means but. Al inaba, grapes. Murtafi'un, high. But the grapes is high. Okay. Lakinna al-inaba murtafi'un, but the grapes is high. Okay. Now I will tell you these lines on the whiteboard. Okay beta. First I will write. All of you look at the board. Karmatul ina B. Karmatul ina B, bunch of the grape. Karma means bunch. Bunch, inab, grapes. Okay. Bunch of the grapes. Karmatul inabi, bunch of the grapes. Okay. You are in class 2nd, right? So in Arabic Madina reader you have learned muzaf and muzafile. Okay. So this is muzaf and muzafile only. Karmatul inabi, bunch of the grapes. Karmatul inabi, bunch of the grapes. Karmatul inabi, bunch of the grapes. Okay. Who is writing? Hifza Shabi, don't write beta. Murtafi'atun. Okay. Murtafi'atun. Okay. Murtafi'atun. Murtafi'atun. Murtafi'atun means high. What is the meaning of murtafi'atun? High. Okay. Karmatul inabi murtafi'atun. Karmatul inabi murtafi'atun. Bunch of the grape is high. Karmatul inabi, bunch of the grape. Murtafi'atun, high. Karmatul inabi, bunch of the grape is high. Okay. Now yaqfizu sa'alabu. We will write next. I will write next sentence. Yaqfizu. Yaqfizu means jumping. Yaqfizu salabu. The fox is jumping. Okay. Jumping. As-salabu, fox. Yaqfizu salabu. The fox is jumping. Yaqfizu, jumping. As-salabu, fox. Yaqfizu salabu. The fox is jumping. Yaqfizu salabu. The fox is jumping. Yaqfizu, jumping. As-salabu, fox. Yaqfizu salabu. The fox is jumping. Okay. Li लियाकुलल इनबा, लियाकुलल इनबा. Li means so that, yakula he eats, al inaba grapes. Okay, so okay, li means so, so that. Okay, yakula he eats. Okay, so that he eats al inaba, al inaba, al inaba grapes. Liyakula al inaba, li means so that, yakula he eats, al inaba grapes. Yakhfizu salabu, the fox is jumping, liyakula al inaba, so that he eats the grapes. Yakhfizu salabu, the fox is jumping, liyakula al inaba, so that he eats the grapes. Okay, understood all of you? Now I will share with you that page. And I will teach you on the page again. Now you can see I have taught you this one. Karmatul inabi, bunch of the grape, is high. Murtafi'atun, high. Yakhfizu salabu, the fox is jumping. Liya'kula al-inaba, so that he eats the grapes. Okay, yakhfizu salabu liya'kula al-inaba, the fox is jumping so that he eats the grapes. Yakhfizu marratan ukhra, he is jumping again. Lakinna al-inaba murtafi'un, but the grapes is high. Okay, yakhfizu marratan ukhra, he is jumping again. Lakinna al-inaba murtafi'un, but the grapes is high. Okay, now I am going to ask you translation from you.